What is going on everyone? My name is Arshad Samir. Welcome to the 8th Java game tutorial. So in this tutorial I'm going to discuss about the movement of wall. So let's go ahead and get started. As you all know, we did here the movement of the image. We should have a move method so that we can call again and again. So we created a bird movement method. So the same thing we need to do with wall image and you guys need to know the difference between the movement of bird image and the wall image. As far as this bird image is concerned, it's going to move straight up and down, that is parallel to y-axis, that is parallel to y-axis. So we didn't change the x coordinates at all. As you can see, we didn't change the x coordinates, we just did changes to the y coordinate only, so that it's going to move straight up and down. As far as this wall image is concerned, it is going to move parallel to the x-axis, so that we need to change the x coordinates only. So this is what going to happen with the movement of wall image. So guys, let's go ahead and start typing. uh, I need a variable, the speed variable. So public int speed, it's going to be a negative integer. I'll say later why do we need this negative integer instead of positive. And we need to create a method. I'm just going to create right here. Public, should be public, then only we can access from the game panel. Public void, let's go ahead and name it as uh, wall movement. And I need to increment the x value, x plus equals speed, and capital X, sorry, that's going to be the capital X. And now we need to put a if statement. That's because, let's go ahead and see why do we need a if statement. For an example, suppose if the wall, if this wall reaches right here means it's going to be x value is here, x value is 0 plus 45. Okay, so when it reaches right here, it's going to be 0 comma whatever the height, 0 comma whatever the height, and it's going to move this side, means it's going to move left side. So when it comes to minus 45, means minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, like that. When it reaches minus 45, we cannot see the wall anymore, so we need to reset the wall position. So that is why we need a if statement. So let's go ahead and do if statement. If capital X is less than or equal to minus value of the wall width, then what do we need to do? We need to reset the x coordinate and the y coordinate. So let's go ahead and do that. X equals, it's going to be game panel width dot width, and y equals, we can copy paste, there we go, copy, same value, yeah. And we need to reset the height as well. We didn't use this height. I'll say in a bit why do we need this height variable. Yeah, now we can I hope, yeah, everything is good to go. Let's go ahead and call this method. In the game panel, we need to call this method right here. So guys, we have two walls, means two set of walls. First one is this one, wi, wall image wi, So dot wall movement, there we go. This is for the first set of wall, and the second is going to be wi2 wall image 2 dot wall movement, there we go. So let's go ahead and run the program. It should move. Yeah guys, as you can see, it's moving. That's incredible, huh? That's awesome. And now what we need to do, we need to set some restrictions, which means the rules of the games. In the sense, if I touch the wall, anywhere of the wall, it should get out, and if it reaches the bottom part of the window or the upper part of the window, then also it should get out. So these are the things we need to do, and let's go ahead and understand the program because I didn't explain it. And yeah, there we go. And as you can see here, as far as this speed is concerned, it's going to be, first of all, the x value. As you all know, there are two set of walls. There are two set of walls here. Let me stop moving so I can clearly explain what's happening. There are two set of wall. The first set is wi, the second set is wi2. Here, as you can see, this is, sorry, this is for wi, this one and this one. This is the first set of wall, this is the second set of wall, wi2. So guys, what are we doing right here? The first set of wall is passing the width, same as the width of the window, but the second wall is passing width plus the half of the width, means 600 plus 300, 900. So we need to keep in mind, the first set of wall is passing the x coordinate as 600, and the second set of wall is passing 900. So as far as this 600 is concerned, it's going to be changed like, x is equal to x plus speed. X is 600 right now, 6 minus 6, and 600 minus 6. Okay, let me go ahead with an order so you guys can easily understand. So first of all, we are going to call this 600 first set of call, so it's going to reduce to 600 to 600 minus 6. After that, we are going to call this 900 one. So what's going to happen? 900 minus 6. So according to this coordinate, it's going to it's going towards the y-axis. After that, again we are calling the same method. So what's happening? Again 600 minus 6 minus 6, and same as 900 minus 6 minus 6, and again 600 minus 6 minus 6 minus 6, and same as 900 minus 6 minus 6 minus 6. So as you all can see, it's approaching towards the y-axis. So this is what happening with the help of this x plus equals speed. So that's why we have put a if statement when it comes to minus 45, means it's going to go like until 0. When it reaches 0, it's going to go like minus 6 and in minus values. The same thing going to happen with this also. After reaching 0, it's going to go with minus values, like, yeah. So when it reaches minus 45, we need to change the position of x coordinate and the y coordinate. We need to change the position of wall, so that we need to change the coordinates. So we are setting the value x and the y again. So this is what happening in this method. So guys, yeah, hope you guys understood what I've explained. And what we are doing, we are calling this method again and again with the help of this move method. Where are we calling this move method? It's inside this timer. As we can see, every 20 milliseconds it's going to get called. So this is what happening right here. So this is what for this tutorial. Hope you guys understood. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to check out my next tutorial. I'll see you in the next tutorial.